Qingming Festival, aka the Tomb Sweeping Day, falls from April 4th to 6th. Taiwanese people care for their ancestors' tombs and prepared food offerings on this day.
In Taiwan, cemeteries appears mysterious and full of taboos. These places are believed unclean and ghosts hunted around. Kids and adults don't usually go around the cemeteries. So what exactly is Taiwan's Tomb Sweeping Day? And what are the customs of Qingming Festival? Let's visit a big family in Miaoli to find out.
Duke Jing wanted to express his gratitude to Jie Zhitui, who had saved him from starvation during exile. However, Jie Zhitui lived in a remote mountain and was nowhere to be found. To locate him, the Duke ordered his guards to set fire in the mountains but accidentally killed Jie Zhitui instead. He then ordered that on this day, people could not cook with fire, they could only eat cold food. The next year, the day was declared Qingming Festival, and the tradition of having cold food and sweeping tombs have been upheld to this day. In Taiwan, one of the rituals during Qingming Festival is having runbing. It's also called popie, a fresh spring roll filled with fresh dried cooked ingredients.
Taiwan is a country of cultural diversity, so on Qingming Festival, local Taiwanese eat renbing and Hakka eat bagao. These foods are all originated from the idea of having cold food because people cannot cook with fire on this day. 谢谢. I got my popia right here. That kind of looks like a Taiwanese version of burrito, doesn't it? Let's give it a try. This is really good. You can taste the crunchy feeling of vegetables and pork floss. You can also taste a tiny bit of sweetness and just a tiny bit of spice. This is so good. I just finished it with one breath. People in the US don't celebrate Qingming Festival, but they can visit their loved one's tombstone at any time or even talk to them. But the elders in Taiwan often tell their kids to stay away from the cemeteries and keep your distance away from the spiritual beings. So most Taiwanese people seldom visit their ancestors' graves besides Qingming Festival.